Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a custom domain in Infinityfree web hosting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Infinityfree account dashboard. From here, select your hosting account. If you don't have one yet, click on Create Account, choose the free plan, enter your subdomain, and create your account. Since I already have one, I'll select my existing account. Once inside, choose your desired account, and then click on Add Domain at the top. Now, select Add Custom Domain. Next, we'll add our domain name. I purchased my domain from Hostinger, so I'll log into my Hostinger H panel. Click on Domains, then Domains Portfolio. Find your domain name, copy it, and then go back to Infinityfree and paste it there. Now, click on Verify Domain. Infinityfree will ask you to verify that you own this domain. There are two methods available to verify your domain: name server validation and CNAME validation. We'll use the name server method since it's easier and recommended. You'll now see both your current Hostinger name servers and the Infinityfree name servers that need to be added. So go back to Hostinger's domain portfolio, select your domain, and here click on DNS/name servers. Choose Change Name Servers. Now copy the first Infinityfree name server, go back to Hostinger, and paste it. Do the same with the second name server. Once done, then click Save. This will update your Hostinger domain's name servers to point to Infinityfree. Once that's done, go back to Infinityfree, click on Add Domain, and your domain will be successfully connected to your hosting account. It usually starts working within 30 minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours for full propagation. And that's it. So that is how you can add a custom domain in Infinityfree web hosting. So that's all for this video. Thanks.